The planning room in Ask Richard takes your Sage Intacct deployment to the next level, delivering precision and efficiency from start to finish. Whether you're aiming for a relaxed 8-month deployment or an accelerated 3-month go-live timeline, the planning room provides dynamic, adaptable scheduling tools that cater to your unique pace and needs. Admins can assign tailored courses, set key milestones, and leverage customizable deployment paths to keep the entire team on track. With a clear, visual roadmap at your fingertips, you can manage timelines effortlessly, while real-time notifications ensure every stakeholder stays aligned and informed, minimizing delays and confusion. But that's not all. Stay tuned for the Ask Richard community, a dynamic space where you can connect with other Sage Intacct users, explore peer-driven insights, and give suggestions for the Ask Richard platform. This interactive space will drive you to dive deeper into best practices, learn from real-world applications, and stay updated on the latest industry developments, all while accessing a library of curated resources. With the planning room and the soon-to-launch Ask Richard community feature, Ask Richard is transforming how you deploy, manage, and master Sage Intacct. Visit AskRichard.io today and explore how the planning room can optimize your Sage Intacct deployment.